If you're not utilizing AI as your business consultant, I am telling you, you are doing your business a disservice. It is a scenario that it has become business consultant, marketing, consultant, idea think tank. As far as statistical forecasts in regards to your industry, the list goes on and on and on and on. And the key thing is the prehistoric ways of utilizing Siri and Alexa and the original ChatGPT, those are just gone. This is just an amazing tool that you should be utilizing. Guys, like, subscribe, comment. My name is Chris. I'm the head game coordinator of Cashunt. We've been doing premium scavenger hunt games for well over 25 years. And my job with these videos is just to provide you with some insight of things that we know that we utilize for our business for continued growth and reinvention, always making things a breath of fresh air. So the key thing is, like I mentioned, this has become 1,000 different hats at your disposal. I don't care if you're in the office. I don't care if you're in your car. I don't care if you're taking a walk or a jog, whatever it is that you're doing. If you just have a general conversation with this, this is a rapid pace conversation. This is not asking a question and getting a response within about 5 beats. We're talking quick, precise answers in regards to the education of the industry that you're in, a concern, marketing strategy, you name it. Even just something general, like, what is the off-peak peak times to traveling to Spain within the year? What are the best platforms to use? As far as marketing, what platform is greater than the other and the reason why? Just general insight. This is your sidekick. This is somebody that you can always have on your side just to provide you with that self-education. Obviously, research the answer that is being provided, but this is a little bit of a disruptor, but to your benefit. Why is it to your benefit? Because a lot of people don't use it. A lot of people do not know. Probably they might know one AI tool, and there's a gazillion out there. The ones that you should try out for this conversational type of AI bot is Gemini Google or Google Gemini, ChatGPT 4. They have their versions of it. Just try it out, ask it questions, have a conversation. Not like how do I or what do I, just say a conversation, just like you would have a conversation with a colleague, friend, or relative. Same idea and a very detailed response. So utilize it. Be ahead of the game. You will be a little bit wide-eyed on a lot of these answers in the factor of inspiration on how to take it. For a guy like myself, once I hear something new, I literally run back to the office and I try to research it. I'm talking rabbit hole to implement that into the business to constantly reinvent ourselves. We're in business for well over 25 years. Why? In regards to reinvention. This is prior to AI, prior to apps, prior to that type of stuff. And now, as far as reinvention for businesses, where it used to be like this throughout the years, now it's like this. So the key thing is that learn it. Try it out. Try Google Gemini. It's free, but I would say ChatGPT 4 is even better. So give it a shot and really be ahead of the curve, and you'll be amazed and for sure inspired. Guys, thanks so much for watching this video. As they say in good old YouTube land, like, subscribe, comment. And for more information, tips, tricks, and just things that we utilize for cash hunt in our world, click on one of the little boxes that will pop up for more information in regards to that. Thanks so much, guys. And as I always say, let's play.